because I didn't know what to talk to this audience, with such an intellectual audience you brought. And when I saw them, I became nervous. They were speaking so extraordinarily, those three people here on the stage. That center man was very handsome. I forgot his name. Yeah, I got nervous when they were speaking so well. I said, what should I talk to all of you? So I thought, okay, I'll pray to God and talk to all of you. Any questions here? Thank you very much. Yes, sir.
Do you practice hypnosis?
No. See, hypnosis is an art. If you don't want to get hypnotized, no power on the earth can get you hypnotized. It's a willing suspension. So you cannot get hypnotized unless you are willing to get into that. So that's the simple art of hypnosis. Yes, the mass psychology, if you speak from the heart and if you speak genuinely, that may attract the attention for that moment, and maybe without surgery certain points go to the mind, it starts germinating automatically. So it's a positive way. Self-hypnosis is used for good things for patients and a lot of things for their pain, but some people misuse it. I have not practiced it. But ESP hota, extrasensory perception, mesmerism, that's a possible art. Dhirubhai was a mesmerizer.
A question has reduced. You were speaking extremely fast when you were delivering. Extraordinary. That was,
yeah, because suddenly your attention will go up that side, no. So I thought I should speak fast so that you are not distracted. Because you have got millions of things in your mind. क्या होएगा ये FDI का investment देंगे नहीं, 55 real estate में allow नहीं करते, SEZ में करते, तो इतना तो tension रहता आप लोग, you carry Mount Everest on your head. So I have to be very fast, no. So that at least that moment you don't think of your wife, your child, or maybe would-be wife, or whatever it is.
What I'm comparing is now that you're answering a question, your speed has come down.
Yeah.
Which is the interesting fact.
Yeah, that I have to slow down because now you're already attention towards me. I already drawn your attention towards me. Because you are not knowing me who is that. The speaker introduced you, but then you have not seen me. So first I have to warm up with you. Now I can talk very slowly with you. You will listen at least for half an hour. You will not say no to me at least.
A simple question to you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, I'm Vishwanath here.
Yes, sir.
From Orca. If we have to meet you or have a one-on-one for 5 minutes, is it only between 12 o'clock midnight till 6 o'clock in the morning, or?
Anytime. Call me after 11:30 and morning 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Oh.
That's possible.
Definitely. Thank you.
That's possible because I get up at 4 o'clock. I see all these stupid serials, 50, 60 serials, till 1 o'clock in the morning after 10 o'clock. De-stressor.
Oh, very good.
So it works. After 4:30 I am in yoga and my burning 2000 calories in 1 hour. So I always compete with myself. So. Yes, sir.
Was there any time or anything which you felt you should do but you didn't do?
No, I was very clear at the age of 14. Once I became an entrepreneur, I decided that when I went to the villages, especially in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, I saw a lot of children running towards me and begging for money, and that is where I think it shook me completely. I said at 27 years I will come out of my business, my industries or whatever I started. I donated my whole wealth, again put 10 rupees in my pocket and started the journey of education with 30 students. Today we have 40,000 students, 9,000 students are studying total free of cost. In that I have made 6 students entrepreneurs and 6 are getting into the scientist philosophy where they are going to be great scientists at the age of 30. That free education, I want to educate 1 million students in next 10 years. I don't have much time, I'm 49-year-old. If everything goes well, maybe expecting 11 years to live. But then anything can happen, air crash tomorrow, anything can happen. So that is external. Internally a wishing. So empowering these leaders. So I have more than 2,000 young leaders, students around me. So I empower them and give them the responsibility to create more empowerment situation. And the day we complete 1 million students, I'm sure all the corporate India will get excited about it and they'll adopt all the children of India. No government schools are required. Corporate will create more corporate individuals for them to become their customers. And the world should come to India, and that's the power of mind. But I don't want to come out with any of these philosophies now. First I want to do it, proof of concept, and then take it forward. So maybe 10, 11 years I need more. And every day we are incubating, every alternate day 1 company. The day I complete 200 companies, I'll replicate it all over 29 states. And low cost housing will be one of its kind of concept which is taking last 6 years I've been working. So parallelly I work 1,000 things in a day. That's why I keep myself 24 hours free. Or whenever you empower people, keep one thing in mind. You make them as your own ownership and treat them as your family members. One example, I need not boast. One teacher died 3 days before in my college. She was a 20-year-old, 1990 I started. I saw to it that her husband gets the salary in her name throughout till 30 years more, till as long as he lives there. 30 years for the children, and I kept that salary. It would have gone up to 4-5 crores in 30 years. I said no, she should get 40,000. She is getting a salary. So we have not removed her name from the rolls, and the 2 children will get educated. Who knows, they will become engineers and better IAS, IPS, or maybe extraordinary thinkers. So they will add value to the society. So in the corporate books, once the person dies, it is all over, and you give 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, PF and all those things, gratuity, and it's all over. I said no. I went to the bank, I requested the bank. The bank said, okay, if it was a joint account earlier, well, okay, this was a joint account earlier, now why don't you create in that old date? I requested the manager. So the money goes in his account, and the 2 children will be empowered, and who knows, tomorrow they will be one Dhirubhai Ambani. We don't know, maybe one like you. So we don't know. This is the divine grace which God has given us, the human life. It is only once in your lifetime you will get this human birth. कुछ शान से कुछ अच्छा काम करो, जीना, रोटी कपड़ा मकान जरूरी है, पैसा भी जरूरी, बट कितना वो देखना आपने को. So 98% we can always do it. You will get 200,000% back out of it. So the more you do good to the others, you will end up doing good to yourself. The more the people benefit with you, you end up gaining in the end. So finally you are the beneficiary. So life is like a boomerang. It comes to you in million folds, and it is a fact. No Bible and Gita or too much of studies are required. It is a common sense approach. It works like a magic. Yeah, last question.
You're really practicing what you're preaching. You're a very example, I know that. My friend's daughter got a depression. After getting this, she came here college. I think the money is country of India. And you order they put 50% of all. 50% in order to make after completing the
Yeah,
good.
Good.
After the third prediction, running around 1.5 lakhs, she's always thinking about your job.
Thank you. What's her name? Yeah, I remember Divina. How is she now? Very good. Very good, very good, very good. I met, I still remember the mother came to me and sat with me and said, in my office, and half an hour we discussed. I said, you do that. Yeah. In our Jain group, we conducted 5,000 marriages, not in one divorce till today. Not in an odd couple, 6-footer and a short lady, African color, still good matching. So sugar is sweeter in darkness also. That simple formula I give. You think she is Hema Malini, Kareena Kapoor, and romance. That's all. Children हो गया, अच्छा हो गया. So close the light. Light में दिखता है beautiful है, pretty है, कुछ नहीं है. Same taste in the night also. So sugar is sweeter in darkness also. So that formula worked in our college. So 5,000. They call Jain college as marriage college also. What's wrong? Boy and a girl meet. Dowry to bacha. Utna tension to our parents ka. I see middle class people struggling so much for their children. That too girls going to America. I told her don't go to America. Sit in Bangalore. Her father is a very famous person. She never speaks about her father. One of the finest IAS officers in the country, Ramaswamy. And the whole country wants him for all his ideas. So his family, her family, and she was the owner of our college. I brought, her mother was the owner of our college. We bought the land from that great family, that family. She doesn't want all these things to be told. Yes, that one more boy is there, Praveen. Praveen was there. Where's Praveen? He is a Pune tiger. From zero he has made lot of money today. Real estate in Pune. Especially Pune people beware, he is going to compete with you all. He was here only. Yeah, last question.
Sir, yeah, just I want to give you lots of thanks. You are 49, I am 50. Till last week, I was earning a huge salary. Last week I left and I have started my own.
Congratulations. Give him a big round of applause for that.
I was a bit depressed, but after hearing you and yesterday after hearing her, and
congratulations.
It's I should thank you both of you.
So
thank you very much.
That become a social entrepreneur. So whatever you earn, 50% donate. You will become more richer.
Sir, my dreams are different.